conditions, but this is perfect seam swing bowling.
Well, it didn't go from the hand. It was a beautiful delivery. It nipped back.
Oh, that'll do. Off the pads, I think. Angle it into the pad.
That's not the zone where he wants to see the ball.
16-year-old. Oh, it's a beauty. He's just too good at the moment. The world's leading wicket taker in this calendar year gets another.
And he deserved this. He was the man that got it started. Been the pick of the bowlers today.
It's gone! There it is! Underway!
The length last over, beating the outside edge, but this was slightly fuller. Warner trying to drive. Good hands from Southey. Big wicket of David Warner.
Bowled in, full and straight, 5 for Boult. Excellent morning from him, exactly what he wanted. Full and straight,